Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility and gathering essentials: the official Nothing OS 3, zero image, a USB-C cable, and a PC with fast transfer. Unlock the device bootloader following vendor prompts. This erases user data, so backup now. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so fastboot and a DB can communicate. Connect the device, confirm device ID with a DB devices, then reboot to bootloader using fastboot reboot bootloader. This sets the stage for flashing safely and predictably. Now you flash the images in sequence: bootloader, radio, vendor, and system. Use fastboot commands and verify each checksum to avoid corrupt installs. If you want a clean slate, include fastboot W to wipe data, otherwise skip W to keep user data. After flashing, reboot to system and walk through initial setup. Sign into your accounts, grant permissions, and enable system updates. Make sure to restore only verified backups so you don't reintroduce problematic settings or apps. Finish by installing Nothing-specific utilities and configuring gesture navigation, privacy toggles, and battery optimizations to match your workflow. Run a full system update and confirm the security patch level. Update drivers on your PC if sideloading packages. If something goes wrong and you hit a boot loop, first try wiping cache from recovery, then reflash the factory images, and lastly perform a factory reset. If persistent, grab recovery logs with a DB logcat so you can pinpoint the failing component and act accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.